This is a 1904 Singer sewing machine in a coffin case. It's a Model 27K. This is the case front. The case is a relatively recent refinish, and there is some slight waviness to the top. You can see that with the straight edge here. There's the opposite side of the case. And here's the machine. We'll take you on a little tour around the machine. Serial number is J211227. You can see here there's some worn finish. There's worn plating. Obviously there's some wear on the machine itself. Here's the hand crank. Folds open and folds closed. The opposite side of the machine. And the front. And next I'll show my wife using this to show that this is a functioning sewing machine.